Hey everybody, my name is McGill. I am the co-founder and CEO of Rise, and today I wanted to record a short video on how to set up automatic client profitability tracking for your team or agency. All right, so I have some previous videos on how to set up clients for auto tracking, how to invite your team, how to integrate with ClickUp. So check YouTube or check my other LinkedIn posts. If you're looking for that, I'm really just going to be focusing on, tracking billable hours and tracking profitability across retainers in this video. So a little bit of background on Rise. Rise is a fully automatic AI-driven time tracker for teams, individuals, and agencies. Our goal is really just to, completely automate time tracking and make your life a lot easier. Okay, so I'm assuming in this video you've installed Rise, it's auto tracking, auto tagging time, and that you've got your client set up with the automatic, keyword tracking and all that good stuff. Again, you have questions, reach out or check some of the other videos. So I want to say how you can set up either monthly retainers, hourly rates, or a combo. Now, you'll see for each client, there's this little ... on the right side. If you hit edit, you'll see that you have it might look like this, but you can click in and you can see that there are different billing options for this client. So one option is hourly rate. That one's really simple. If you select hourly rate, you can optionally add one hourly rate here, let's say 140, right? If I set this value, anytime I tag towards this client, we'll use this hourly rate regardless of who on the team does it, okay? If I leave this value blank, then what's gonna happen is it's gonna pull the hourly rate from whichever team member actually set that hourly rate, okay? Additionally, you can set cost rate for each team member in the team settings. We'll get to that in a little bit. All right, so that's the hourly rate, super simple. If I tag an hour this time, it's gonna report 1 hour 50 for billable hours. Now, a lot of agencies are moving towards monthly retainers and an hourly rate. So I'll get into monthly retainer next. So if I choose monthly retainer, I have a new field here where I can set the monthly retainer and I can optionally include the number of hours based for the month, right? This is used for things like tracking utilization. Now, if I save that, I'll see these here, either hourly or retainer. There's a third option, which is a monthly retainer and hourly rate. So in this case, you set, the monthly retainer, you set the included hours, and then you add the hourly rate. And what will happen is Rise will basically use the retainer up until the hourly rate. And then once you pass that, it's gonna start pulling, it's not gonna bill by the hour until you hit this utilization, like the number of hours included. Once you hit 100% there, it's gonna start pulling for the monthly rate, either from the client or the team member, depending on how you set it up. Okay, we also have today is March, it's March 13th, 14th, this is how profitability is set up now, but we're actively working on a ton of new features here. So make sure if you're seeing this for the first time, check the videos as well and the changelog, because there might be updates here already. But assuming you've gotten this all set up, then we can set up the cost. So right now, you can set the cost rate for each individual member. This is essentially how much it costs the company for each hour of the time. If you're paying for team members on an annual, like with an annual salary, you can kind of back into this number by dividing that by, dividing their salary by, let's say, 52 times 40 hours a week. If you're paying them by hour, that's even easier. Okay, so once you have that set up, you can head to profitability, and in the profitability, you'll be able to see this really cool dashboard almost immediately. So here I can change the bucket sizes, I can change it from a line graph to a bar chart, and then I will get these nice, really cool metrics around total revenue across the whole team or agency, cost, profit, my profit margin, the number of active clients. Down here, I have the client profitability table. So for each client now, I'm getting the revenue for this time period, cost, profit, again, margin, tracked hours, effective hourly rate, overage hours, utilization. These all come for free with the auto tracking and Rise once you set this up. So it's a really, really powerful tool. This information is so hard to track manually, and Rise, you're just gonna get this out of the box with very limited setup. So yeah, we have so many more features coming around this. Really excited to release this. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out. Support at rize.io or in the feedback chat in the app. Thanks so much and have a great day.